Hello everybody, Jared here. I'd like to show you a couple of old school tools that I invented that sometimes manual solvers use when they're trying to break aristocrats. The nice thing about aristocrats is that we know where the words are, we know how long they are. So a person could make word lists of lists that are different lengths. But actually there's something we could do which is even way cooler than that, and will rule out even more possibilities. I'm going to show you how it works. So first things first, there aren't that many short words in English. If it's a one-letter word, it's probably either A or I. If it's a two-letter word, there's not that many common two-letter words. Same thing with three-letter words. There's not that many three-letter words in English, so I've actually prepared a list. I'm going to give you a link below, and those are not that useful. You can use them, they get you started, but I like to go for the bigger words first. So what I did is I actually created a tool for you guys called the Word Pattern Dictionary, and I'm going to teach you how to use it. But before that, I have to show you how the word pattern actually works. This is one of those things where it's hard to find the words to explain what I'm doing, but it's easier just to show you. So, there's the first letter, A. Okay, so I'm going to write down A. The next letter is a letter that we haven't used before, so we're going to make that a B. The third letter, well, we already used one of those before. What did we call it before? We said that that was a B, so we're going to make it a B again. The fourth letter is the letter L. We don't know, we haven't used that one before, so we're going to have to give it a new letter. We're going to call that letter C. And the last letter, letter E, we haven't done that before yet either, so we're going to call that D. Okay? So this is the word pattern, A, B, B, C, D. That's kind of strange, right? What use is that? Well, there's a lot of words that are five-letter words, but all of them do not have the second and the third letter the same. That would rule out quite a bit of five-letter words. Let me show you a different example, right? W-A-G-O-N, wagon, right? There is no repeating letters in this. So the word pattern would just be A, B, C, D, E, right? W is A is a new word, a new letter rather, so it's B. G is a new letter, so it's C. O is a new letter, so it's D. N is a new letter, so it's E. Let's come with something else. Let's try Dolly. Okay, so A, right? Letter D is a new letter. We haven't used it yet, so we're going to call that A. Letter O, we haven't used that yet. We'll call it a B. L, we haven't used that either, so we're going to call that a C. Now, when we get to the fourth letter, it's L again. It repeated. So, okay, we're going to call it a C. We called it a C before. It's C again. And then E for the last one. Okay? So, let me give you yet another example. Quadrangle. But here's how it works again. Q. Did we use Q yet? No, so that gets the A. U. Did we use U yet? No, so that gets a B. What about A? Did we use that yet? No, so that gets a C. D. Did we get that one yet? No, so that actually gets the D, same letter. R, no, we didn't use that yet. That gets an E. Now, here we are at A. We used an A already. What did we say that it was? It was C. So we're going to put the C again. N, we didn't use that yet. G, let's see here. Isn't that interesting? L, we didn't use. E, we didn't use. So here we have a little bit different word pattern, right? So I'm going to show you what the word pattern dictionary looks like and how to use it. Alright, say I have a cipher, okay? This is a cipher I'm trying to break, and I need a word out of this cipher that has some repeating letters in it. I see one right here. And by the way, I made this word pattern dictionary because there's a lot of middle-sized words in English. It only has words that are 6 letters or more. So here we are. So what's the word pattern on this thing? We have A, B, C, D, E, and then we're back to B and A again. Okay, so the word pattern is A, B, C, D, E, B, A. So how the heck am I going to find that? I'm going to come over here. The easiest way is just to highlight this, copy it, come over here, put the cursor at the beginning, and we're going to search. We're going to find this pattern, and here we are. So I only see 2 words right here. Now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7-letter word. We know that there's a whole lot more than 2 7-letter words in the English language, but 7-letter words that fit this particular word pattern, I only see 2, recover and thought. Well, that narrows things down an awful lot, doesn't it? So this is where a word pattern dictionary comes in handy. Now, if you're using the online tool, which I already made a video about, that's a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster. But if you're old school and you want to do things with word lists and graph paper and a pencil, this is a tool for you to use. I'm going to go ahead and post a link below for you so you can download this and use it. And I hope it helps you out. Thanks for listening. We'll catch you next time.